Hey everyone, today we are going to discuss about a very fascinating subject in the field of machine learning and natural language processing, which is topic modeling. If you have ever wondered how machines can understand and organize massive amount of textual data, how they are making sense of that large corpora of data and generating the key themes out of it, then you are in the right place. Like, we are going to discuss about all those things, so let's get started without any further delay. Yeah, so first, let's talk about the definition of topic modeling. So topic modeling is a powerful technique used to analyze large collection of text or corpora and uncover key themes or the topics within them. Imagine having a thousands or even hundreds of thousands of documents that you couldn't possibly read through manually in a reasonable amount of time. And sometimes it is not possible to go through this kind of data manually, not at all possible in a lifetime. So topic modeling helps us to make sense of this massive amount of information. So there are various use cases of this topic modeling framework. Let's discuss one by one. So the first use case is understanding large text corpora. Let's take an example of marketing team responsible for managing a company's social media presence, right? Their task is to monitor the customers, monitor what customers are saying about their brand across various social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Instead of manually reading through each and every single tweet or post, which would be incredibly time consuming or inefficient, the team can use topic modeling technique to analyze this text data. How team can use this topic modeling technique? Let's discuss about it. By applying topic modeling algorithms, they are automatically identifying common themes or topics with the vast amount of social media conversations. For instance, they might discover that customers are frequently discussing topics such as product quality, customer service experiences, and pricing. With these insights, the marketing team can prioritize their efforts accordingly. They may decide to address any issues related to the product quality, engage with the customers who have positive experience with their customer service, and adjust pricing strategies based on the feedback, right? So in this kind of use cases, we can definitely apply this topic modeling technique to simply enhance the business. So the second use case is uncovering hidden patterns. So here also, let's talk about another example. Imagine you work for a customer service department of a large retail company. Every day your team receives hundreds or even thousands of customer feedback emails, social media messages, and online reviews. It's impossible for a human to manually sift through all this data to understand what customers are saying and what their concerns are. Here's where topic modeling can come in handy. By applying topic modeling technique to this vast amount of text data, you can automatically identify recurring topics and themes within the customer feedback. For example, the the model might uncover topics such as shipping issues, product quality, customer service experience, pricing concerns, and so on. Once these topics are identified, you can prioritize which issues to address first based on their frequency and importance to customers. You can also track how these topics evolve over time, allowing you to quickly respond to the emerging trends or issues before they escalate. Overall, topic modeling helps you efficiently extract valuable insights from large volume of text data, enabling you to make data driven decisions to improve customer satisfaction and drive business success. So, the next use case is enhancing information retrieval. Let's say you are planning a vacation to a new city and you want to find the best places to eat. You start by searching online, but you are overwhelmed by the sheer number of restaurant reviews, blog posts, and articles. Here's where topic modeling can help. Instead of sifting through all these search results manually, a topic modeling algorithm could categorize the information into topics like fine dining, casual eaters, local favorites, vegetarian options, and so on. This kind of techniques are already you can see in the Zomato, Swiggy, these kind of platforms. With this categorization, you can easily focus on the topics that interest you the most. For example, if you are a vegetarian, you can quickly find information on vegetarian friendly restaurants without having to wade through irrelevant search results. This saves you time and helps you make more informed decisions about where to dine during your trip. So, next is like personalization and recommendation system. Let's say you are an avid reader who frequently uses an ebook platform like Kindle. This platform might employ topic modeling to analyze the genre and themes of the books you have read in the past. Based on this analysis, the system can recommend new books that align to your interest. For instance, if you have read a lot of science fiction novels, this platform might suggest new releases in the sci-fi genre or books by authors similar to those you have enjoyed previously. This personalized recommendation makes it easier for you to discover new books that you have likely to enjoy and enhance your overall experience. Yeah, so these are the main use cases of topic modeling. So what we have understand from this today's particular video, like topic modeling is a powerful tool for studying large collection of text. It helps us to find important themes and trends quickly, which would take forever to do just by manually. It also helps to see the bigger picture, bigger theme across everything we are studying, giving us new insights we might miss otherwise. So thanks for tuning in. So in the next video series, we are deep diving into the world of topic modeling with Python. So we'll be discussing about clustering based topic modeling, LDA, some advanced topic modeling technique like bird topic, top to back, etc. So get ready for some hands-on actions as we are exploring how to implement topic modeling algorithms using Python libraries like Gensim, Scikit-learn, etc. We'll walk you through step-by-step tutorials from pre-processing text data to build topic models and interpreting the results. Stay tuned for the exciting journey into the world of text analytics and uncovering hidden insights.